In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expand Outlook ribbon. Let's start at the very beginning so nothing feels confusing. Open your preferred web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook and press Enter. You'll see a list of results appear. Click the official Outlook website from Microsoft. This will take you to Outlook on the web, where you can access your email and the interface we're focusing on today. Once Outlook loads, look along the top of the page. You should see tabs such as Home, View, and Help. This top area is referred to as the ribbon. It's where Outlook groups commands and tools, so they're easy to find when you need them. Sometimes the ribbon is collapsed to save space, especially on smaller screens. When it's collapsed, you'll see only the tab names and not the full set of buttons and options underneath. To expand it, go to the upper right corner of the Outlook window and look for a small drop-down arrow. It may look like a chevron or a caret pointing downward. Click that drop-down icon. As soon as you do, the ribbon expands, revealing the full command set under the tab that's currently active. You'll now see all the contextual buttons for Home, or View, or Help, depending on which tab you have selected. A quick tip: if you notice the ribbon collapsing again later, it's usually Outlook trying to give you more reading space. Just click that same drop-down icon to bring the ribbon back. Another small detail to keep in mind is that the icon might change slightly based on updates, but it remains in the upper right area and behaves the same way. If you hover your mouse over the icon, you'll often see a tooltip hint like Expand Ribbon or Show Tabs and Commands, which confirms you're in the right place. For context, the Home tab focuses on everyday mail actions, like composing, archiving, and categorizing. The View tab helps you adjust how your inbox and message list look. The Help tab is where you can find assistance and learn more about features. Expanding the ribbon makes these tools more visible and reduces the number of clicks needed to find what you want. That's all there is to it. Go to Google, search for Outlook, open the official site, confirm you can see the Home, View, and Help tabs, and then click the drop-down icon at the top right to expand your ribbon. Follow these steps whenever the ribbon hides itself, and you'll always have your commands right at your fingertips.